All pets have their quirks, but rescuers from Cat Protection in the UK are worried that this little guy won't be able to find a home because he can't stop sneezing. SWNS reports that Kitty Elliott has what's called chronic rhinitis, meaning he's always congested and has a runny nose, leading to... The 9-year-old cat has been at the shelter for 2 months now, and the staff are starting to think his sneezing is turning away potential adopters. Tanya Marsh, the deputy manager for the rescue center, said about the situation, "Cats with health conditions may seem like a daunting prospect at first, but in many cases they can be managed well with the right care. But it's hard to believe no one wants to adopt this affectionate feline and give him a loving home. After all, they say love can be the best medicine, so maybe all this little guy needs is some TLC."